Hey, what's going on, subscribers? I have great news. We're almost at 100 subscribers. I'm very excited for us to reach this milestone. We're literally one subscriber away. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. My whole goal with this YouTube channel is to teach all of you different strategies that you can use to create extra income sources and make money passively through profits, investments, anything like that. So if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and like this video. I highly appreciate it. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can invest in real estate with less than $100. I did want to show you all this link that you can use to get a free stock with Robinhood. If you do not have an account with them yet, this is a great way for you to begin investing in the stock market, and they don't charge you any fees for any stocks that you buy. Alright, and yeah, like I said, we're almost at 100 subscribers. We make new videos every single week. So this is a great channel for you to learn and grow financially as well. This is a community of people who want to strive to have financial freedom. So if you are interested and would like to learn more through these videos that I upload, subscribe and like this video as well. Alright, so yeah, like I said, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can begin investing in real estate with very little money. You can start with less than $100, and this strategy involves you investing in real estate investment trusts. These are a type of stocks that let investors invest in real estate. And this is a fantastic way to begin investing in real estate because you don't have to worry about having all the money required. You don't have to spend your time to look for properties, anything like that. So it's a very simple and effective way for you to begin investing in real estate today.
And if you're a shareholder of a REIT, you earn a portion of the money generated by that investment. So REITs take control of investing in properties. They have their own employees. They control all of that. But all you're doing is receiving a portion of the profits that they make through dividend payments every single month. And so basically, a real estate investment trust is a company that owns and in most cases operates income producing real estate. REITs, they own many types of commercial real estate, anything from office and apartment buildings to warehouses, hospitals, shopping centers, hotels, and they usually are very specific on the type of properties they invest. Some type of REITs only invest in certain kinds of properties. So all of these REITs that I'm going to be showing you pay dividends every single month. If you simply begin with $1,000, split into these 5 stocks I'm going to be showing you, they begin a compound effect with monthly dividend paying stocks. By using the dividend payouts from each of these REITs to buy more shares of these companies every single month. So if you continually do this for 10 to 15 years diligently, you'll be impressed at how much you're generating in monthly income passively without needing to work at all for this income. It could basically be a second job that you have without you needing to work. This is what the best feature of investing in REITs. And monthly dividend stocks are the best dividend stocks because they allow for returns to be compounded on a more frequent basis. More frequent compounding results in better total returns, particularly over long periods of time.
So we're going to begin with EPR stock. This is a REIT that pays 6.75% per share. For the total amount of money that you have invested in the stock. And I just show you the graph, the max chart. What I love about these 5 stocks that I'm showing you today, they are all considered winning stocks. In my opinion, they have a good upward trending pattern over the max chart. I believe the max chart is the most important because it gives you the complete history of the price per share of that stock, and as you all saw, it's always going up in value. So yeah, and Robinhood, all of these stocks are available on Robinhood, so you can begin investing in them today with the Robinhood application. This is a great app that I use to invest. I invest with Robinhood, and you can see the description of each REIT if you want more information regarding them. And like I said, every single month these stocks pay you a dividend, and the more shares you have, the higher the dividend payout. And what you can begin to do is, once you receive that dividend payment, keep it in your Robinhood account. And over, probably, it depends on how many shares you have, but within 3 to 4 months, you should be able to buy another share of that stock with just a dividend payment. So you're not putting in any more of your money. You're simply using the money they paid you to buy more shares of it. And that's a compounding effect it creates. It's kind of like an aggressive upward trending pattern that your portfolio should reflect by investing in REIT stocks. So the second stock that I'm going to be showing you is called LTC Properties. This pays 5.47% per year. The best way to take advantage of REIT stocks is to begin investing in them as soon as possible, because time is the biggest factor when it comes down to having the biggest monthly paycheck from investing in REITs. And it's sort of the same thing with real estate overall. The longer you hold the property, the higher it goes up in value, and the more cash flow you can make. Alright, so this is LTC. As you can see, I'm going to be showing you the max chart. This is something I check with every single stock. If it doesn't have an upward trending pattern on the max chart, then it's definitely not a winning stock. I want my money to grow over time, so I'm going to be investing in companies that reflect this. Their share price should be going up in value over time, and as you see, that's a great overall upward trending pattern. Obviously, it does have downs, but it always makes a higher high through the years. And this is a long-term strategy that you should begin implementing today if you feel comfortable with it. Start out slow. You can literally just buy one share of each of these 5 stocks. It's not going to cost you any less than $200, which is not a lot of money. Normally, to invest in real estate, you need to have at least like a down payment for the house, which is $20,000 to $70,000 depending on the value of the home. But so if you want to begin investing in real estate, you can do this right now simply by investing in a REIT stock. You're simply having someone else do the investing for you, and you get paid through monthly dividends. Alright, so the third stock I'm going to be showing you is going to be Main Street Capital. But I am going to show you LTC on Robinhood real quick, just for you to see that all these stocks are available on the Robinhood platform. And you're also going to see the descriptions, like I said, what the REIT invests in specifically, their buy and sell rating, overall more descriptions on the stock, which is something that you should do. And real estate is one of the biggest investments that rich people make. So if you eventually want to achieve a high level net worth, investing in real estate is one of the key factors that most people who become successful financially do. So if you want to do this right now, you might not have enough money to start investing in properties by yourself. So you can simply do this and still take advantage of real estate overall. And it doesn't require any of your time. You just simply put money in buying a share, and you get compensated for that. So yeah, that's the description right there. The next stock I'm going to be showing you, Main, doesn't specialize in real estate, but I believe they have some sort of investment they do with real estate, but it's still sort of the same type of stock where they pay you monthly. I think they especially focus on financing businesses, basically using their own capital, but it's very similar. So I would still consider it in this category as a REIT. And so all these five stocks, I have analyzed their technical analysis and their balance sheet and fundamentals. So for me, all of these five stocks, these five REITs, are definitely buys in my opinion, especially over a long period of time. So yeah, I'm gonna continue showing you the stocks, the technical analysis, and at the end I am going to be covering the balance sheets, just so that you see the what you should be doing with any dividend paying stock. You want to make sure that their total assets are bigger than the total liabilities, so that they own more things than they have in debt. This is something that you should be checking every single stock if you're considering buying into it. And basically, for me, my investment philosophy is, if it doesn't have an upward trending pattern on the max chart for any stock, I would not buy it. For the balance sheet, obviously it needs more assets and liabilities, or else I don't feel safe buying into that stock because it's very risky. The third thing is I analyze the fundamentals. So I make sure that the business outlook is good, their product or service is in high demand, and is expected to grow over time in the future. So if those three things don't check out, then I simply don't invest in the stocks. I invest to make money, not to put my money in risk. So this is why I make sure that these three things check out. And if you're interested in my how I make these decisions to buy a stock or not, I do have more videos on this, so feel free to check them out. I go into much more detail. So it's a great way if you're interested in buying stocks. I highly recommend you watch those videos of me before deciding to buy a particular stock. Alright, so here we go, the max chart of Maine. Very good upward trending pattern. And the best thing about REITs is that you shouldn't really care that much about the share price going up in value over time. I mean, it's definitely nice, but the reason you're investing in these companies is to make that monthly dividend payout. So these stocks will pay them even if their share price goes down, even if it goes up, they're still going to continue paying that monthly dividend payout. They might decide not to in the future, but usually these five stocks are known for continuing to pay their monthly dividend payout. So they're definitely good picks. And so share price, even if it goes down, you're still going to make that money every single month. So this is another great thing about investing in real estate investment trust. You don't really care about the price per share. If anything, the cheaper the price per share, the better for you, because you can buy more shares and get paid a higher overall dividend payout every single month. So this fourth stock is O Realty Income. This is actually my favorite monthly paying dividend REIT. You'll see exactly why. This has one of the best max charts I've ever seen in a stock. It's very easy to see why this is a winning stock for sure. Here's the max chart. I cannot think of a better graph than this. It's very steady but reliable. It grows over time. It's very steady. I feel very comfortable investing in the stock. And this stock is actually known as being the monthly dividend paying company. They're very proud of being able to pay dividends monthly for any investor. So they use that as a selling point for their stock. And I feel, like I said, I feel very comfortable investing in it. And I'm hoping I can build a large position over time with this stock and basically have monthly paychecks from all these five dividend paying companies. The fifth stock that I'm going to be showing you is called Stag Industrial. They have a 5.71 dividend yield. But I'm also going to be showing you the O Realty Income in Robinhood. Yeah. I definitely want to hear from you guys, especially a little bit more experienced investors. Have you ever invested in monthly dividend paying companies? And what was your experience with that? Also, have you ever invested in REIT stock specifically? And how's it going so far with that? That way, other investors can sort of hear feedback from other normal investors. So yeah. Also, if you're new, I want to know if you're interested in possibly investing in a REIT. Um, are you considering doing the strategy that I'm showing you right now? So yeah, this is stack stock. We're gonna look at the max chart, and I'm going to be showing it to you on the Robinhood platform as well. And then in the last portion of the video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I analyze the stock financially, where I take a look at the total assets versus total liabilities. I simply look up the stock on Google. So, for example, I'm going to be looking up O Realty Income. So, all you have to do is look up O stock balance sheet, and you look at the most recent quarter or year. So, they should have 2018 right now, and you grab the total assets, the total liabilities, you subtract the liabilities from the total assets, and that's going to give you a specific number. You want that number to be as high as possible because you want them to have more assets than liabilities. And this is a very simple thing. You don't have to do anything fancy. This is just a very simple way for you to get a good understanding of the stock, of the business financials. I mean. So yeah, I always do this before buying any single stock. That's me subtracting the liabilities from the assets. And I'll be showing you O Realty Income and also Stag Industrial. And like I said, I already did technical analysis, fundamentals, and balance sheet for all these 5 stocks. So I highly recommend these 5 stocks if you're interested in beginning to invest in REIT stocks. If you have any questions regarding this type of investments, feel free to leave them down in the comments down below. I always make sure I reply to every single comment. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot producing these videos, and my overall goal is to make you money. So if you want to learn how to make money passively, then definitely subscribe and begin investing in your education. Alright, so thank you all so much for watching. I highly appreciate your view. Like I said, comment down below what you liked about this video. If you have any questions, anything like that, I highly appreciate comments, likes. Also subscribe. I highly encourage all of you to subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. My next goal is going to be 200 subscribers. So let's make it happen. Alright, so yeah, so now you know how you can begin investing in real estate with very little money. There's no need to go out and spend all of your money investing in real estate if you don't have it and you have to go in debt for it. This is a very effective way to start. Alright, I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.